Welcome back to Tech Folk. Today, we're diving into something wild, an IKEA smart home revolution you never saw coming. You know IKEA for furniture and meatballs, but now they've launched 21 new smart gadgets that could shake up the entire industry. These aren't just lamps you control with your phone. This is next-level sci-fi stuff from a furniture store. I've dug deep into these products, and I guarantee most people have no idea what's coming. We'll break down the most game-changing devices, and why companies like Philips Hue and Amazon should be worried. And stick around, because the last gadget will completely change how you think about your home. Let's jump in. First up, the Vinsturka air quality sensor. Looks simple, right? But it's the brain of IKEA's new ecosystem. It doesn't just tell you your air is bad, it automatically tells your other IKEA devices to react. If it senses too much dust, your Starkwind air purifier instantly kicks into high gear. No setup, no routines, just plug and play. Most smart home devices need complicated routines. Here, everything just works together out of the box. The sensor and purifier talk to each other, making your home proactive, not reactive. Most people will overlook this, not realizing it's the nerve center for a whole home air system. It's not just measuring problems, it's commanding solutions. Imagine this tech expanding high humidity triggers a dehumidifier, or chemicals trigger a fan. The possibilities are huge, and it all starts with this little white box. IKEA isn't just selling a product, they're selling an environment that takes care of itself. This is a fundamental shift in smart home integration, and it's affordable. Less than a fancy dinner. This is the kind of automation that used to be reserved for high-end homes. IKEA is making it accessible to everyone. It's a revolution in how devices interact. They're not just playing catch-up, they're building a truly interconnected smart home. This is just the beginning. The Vinsturka is a glimpse of what's coming. It's a piece of a much bigger, smarter puzzle. Most people won't even realize how powerful it is, but you do now. Let's move on. Next, forget everything you know about light switches. Meet the Rodrit wireless dimmer. It's not just a dimmer, it's a wireless magnetic controller you can stick anywhere. Control up to 10 smart bulbs at once, turn them on, off, or dim them, all with one tiny device. Imagine lighting your whole living room or kitchen with a single button. No more fumbling with apps or multiple switches. Want movie night? Hold the button and all your lights dim together. It's simple, cheap, and anyone can set it up, no electrician needed. Other companies sell expensive panels for this. IKEA gives you a battery-powered puck for a few bucks. It's part of their new ecosystem so you can trigger scenes. One press for main lights, double press for accent lights. The customization is mind-blowing for the price. This isn't just a dimmer, it's a whole room controller in your hand. It makes smart lighting intuitive and accessible for everyone. No tech skills required. IKEA is democratizing smart home control. It's a game changer for lighting. If you want smart tech that just works, this is it. The Rodrit is how you make smart homes simple. It's not just for tech nerds, it's for everyone. That's the future of smart homes. Ready for the next one? Let's go. Let's talk smart blinds. For years they were a luxury, expensive, complicated, and out of reach. IKEA's Tridansen Smart Blind Motor Kit changes everything. For about 20 bucks, you can make your existing IKEA blinds fully smart. No electrician, no custom install. Just attach the motor, pair it, and you're done. Control your blinds with a remote, your phone, or voice assistants like Google and Alexa. Set schedules. Blinds open at sunrise, close at sunset, all automatically. Link them to sensors. If a room gets too hot, the blinds close to keep it cool. This is automation that used to cost thousands, now for a fraction of the price. My friend got a $1,500 quote for smart blinds. He could do the same with IKEA for under $150. It's an industry reset, no more overpriced motors. IKEA is making smart blinds affordable for everyone. The installation is easy, designed for normal people. You can even connect them to other smart devices for full automation. This is a luxury feature turned standard accessory. No more excuses for expensive smart blinds. The market has changed overnight. If you want smart blinds, this is the way. IKEA just made it possible for everyone. That's a game changer. Let's see what's next. Onward. Imagine your nightstand or coffee table charging your phone. No cables, no pads, just magic through the wood. That's the Xiaomerca wireless charger. It mounts under any non-metal surface and charges your phone invisibly. Place your phone on the marked spot, and it charges. No clutter, no mess. Install it under your desk, nightstand, or kitchen counter. Your furniture becomes the charger. IKEA even includes a sticker so you know where to place your phone. It's seamless, clean, and totally hidden. Other companies make expensive, bulky chargers. IKEA makes the furniture itself smart. This is integration at a whole new level. And it's affordable. No need to spend a fortune for invisible charging. The possibilities are endless. Any table can be a charging station. It's a powerful idea. Your furniture is now part of your tech. No more ugly charging pads, just pure invisible convenience. IKEA is making futuristic tech accessible. Next time you see a plain table, ask, could it be a secret charger? With America, the answer is yes. Meet the Trodfry shortcut button, a simple stick-anywhere button that controls anything in your smart home. Program it for your favorite routines. One press can open blinds, start music, and brew coffee. No phone, no voice commands, just a single satisfying click. Movie night? Press the button. Lights dim. TV glows. Popcorn machine turns on. It turns complex routines into one-touch magic. Other systems make this complicated and expensive. IKEA makes it easy and cheap. The Home Smart app guides you through setup. No tech wizardry required. It's about convenience and making tech feel human. We love pressing buttons. It's fast and satisfying. IKEA gets that. The best tech is the kind you don't have to think about. Sprinkle these buttons around your house for custom control anywhere. Focus mode, good night, party time. Create any scene you want. Endless possibilities, all for a few bucks. The shortcut button is the remote for your life. That's smart living, IKEA style. You've seen smart bulbs and pricey light panels, but IKEA's Jetstrom LED panels are a game changer. Different shapes, hexagons, triangles, snap together to create custom light art on your wall. Set each panel to any color, create gradients, or cycle through colors for ambient effects. It's functional lighting and interactive art in one. Sync them with music, your wall pulses and dances to the beat. Perfect for parties or setting the mood. And the price? Way less than big-name brands. Starter kits and expansions are affordable, making high-end design accessible. No need to be a YouTuber to have a cool light wall. It's not just a lamp, it's a dynamic art piece, party system, and mood creator. Express your creativity and change your room's vibe with a tap. IKEA rethinks the product, more affordable, easier to use, and part of a bigger ecosystem. The Jetstrom panels are a massive win for anyone wanting futuristic flair. Add personality to your home without breaking the bank. That's smart design, IKEA style. Let's see the final piece. Here it is, the most revolutionary gadget in IKEA's lineup, the DIRIGERA hub. This isn't just a hub, it's the secret weapon that unites your smart home. Built from the ground up with Matter support, it's a universal translator for smart devices. For years, smart homes were a mess. Devices from different brands couldn't talk. Matter changes that, and DIRIGERA is ready for it. Now you can control IKEA products and Matter-certified devices from hundreds of brands, all in one app. Google Nest, Philips Hue, Amazon plugs, Apple sensors. If it supports Matter, it works here. IKEA isn't locking you in, they're opening the doors. This hub is the central brain that unites your fragmented smart home. Use an IKEA button to control Philips lights, or an air sensor to trigger your Nest thermostat. The walls between brands are coming down, and IKEA is leading the charge. They're not just selling smart bulbs, they're selling a unified smart home. By embracing Matter, they've future-proofed their ecosystem. This is next-level thinking, an open platform for everyone. The DIRIGERA hub could become the center of your entire smart home universe. It's a bold move that changes everything. IKEA is building the future, not just another gadget. This is the most mind-blowing part of their strategy. Comment your reactions below. This is huge. Let's wrap it up. That's a wrap. IKEA isn't just making furniture, they're building the future of smart homes and making it affordable. From invisible chargers to a hub that unites every device, this is a true game changer. Which gadget blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more insane tech content. Check out our next video for a deep dive into the latest AI gadgets. Thanks for watching. See you next time.